The 2026 Winnebago Travato delivers a compelling package for adventurers seeking a compact, efficient, and highly capable Class B motorhome. Built on the proven Ram ProMaster 3500 chassis and powered by a 3.6L V6 gas engine, it combines nimble handling with solid power and commendable fuel economy. Averaging 16 to 18 miles per gallon, the Travato stands out in a market where efficiency and usability often come at a premium. Its compact size allows it to navigate tight city streets and narrow trails with ease, making it ideal for both urban explorers and wilderness wanderers. This year's model features a refreshed exterior with clean, aerodynamic lines and new color options that emphasize its modern styling. LED lighting accents, heated mirrors, and a powered awning with integrated lighting enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Optional roof racks, bike mounts, and side ladders give it a rugged look and provide practical storage for outdoor gear, kayaks, or solar upgrades. The exterior utility center is also streamlined for easier hose, power, and water hookups during setup. Inside, the Travato continues to make the most of its compact footprint with two flexible floor plans, the 59G and the 59K. The 59G features a rear bed, mid-coach wet bath, and front dinette, while the 59K emphasizes bathroom space with a rear bath and twin beds that convert into a large king-sized sleeping area. Both layouts are designed for functionality, maximizing every square inch of available space. Thoughtful storage solutions and modern design elevate the living experience inside this van. Interior styling is updated with modern cabinetry finishes, high-quality vinyl flooring, and soft touch wall materials. Recessed LED lighting, strategically placed windows, and light-toned materials give the Travato a bright, airy feel. The soft close drawers and cabinet hardware add a premium touch while reducing travel noise. The interior design strikes a balance between durability and elegance, perfect for long-term or full-time use. The seating area in both floor plans includes swiveling cab seats that convert into part of the living space, paired with a removable pedestal table for meals or work. Upholstered in durable, stain-resistant fabrics, the seating is comfortable and long-lasting. Overhead storage and under-seat compartments allow easy access to everyday essentials. The layout feels open, with each space serving multiple functions without ever feeling cramped. The kitchen in the 2026 Travato is compact yet efficient. It includes a 2-burner LP cooktop with a glass cover, stainless steel sink, microwave oven, and compressor-driven refrigerator/freezer. Counter extensions provide additional workspace, and smart cabinetry maximizes pantry and cookware storage. A MaxxAir vent fan above the kitchen area keeps air circulating and removes cooking odors quickly. Sleeping arrangements are cleverly designed to offer both comfort and flexibility. In the 59K, the twin beds provide a spacious and customizable layout, while the 59G's Murphy Plus bed folds away during the day to expand the living area. Memory foam mattresses and blackout shades create an ideal sleeping environment, and USB ports by each bed ensure devices can stay charged overnight. Reading lights and window vents enhance nighttime comfort. The wet bath is compact but practical. The cassette toilet, integrated sink, and shower all fit within the waterproof enclosure, which includes a retractable screen and roof vent. In the 59K model, the rear bath offers significantly more elbow room and storage for toiletries and towels. Winnebago's water-saving showerhead and Truma Aqua Go water heater ensure hot water is readily available without waste. Heating and cooling systems are designed for all season. Travel. The Coleman Mach 10 NDQ air conditioner is ultra-quiet and efficient, while the Truma Combi Eco Plus system provides heat and hot water using gas or electricity. Enhanced insulation and thermal side window coverings keep the coach comfortable in both cold and hot climates. These features make the Travato a true 4-season travel van. One of the most appealing aspects of the Travato is its off-grid capability, anchored by the Pure Cubed Energy Management System. This includes a lithium battery pack, 3,600-watt inverter, and a roof-mounted solar panel. For 2026, the system has been upgraded to provide faster charging and greater energy storage, supporting extended boondocking without the need for shore power or a generator. This energy independence is a game-changer for many van lifers. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout the Travato. A touchscreen control panel offers command over lighting, HVAC, and tank monitoring. Wi-Fi and 4G LTE readiness, Bluetooth connectivity, and a 24-inch HD TV provide plenty of entertainment options. USB ports, 12V outlets, and 110 volts plugs are scattered conveniently throughout the cabin to power all types of devices, ensuring constant connectivity on the road. Driving the Travato feels more like a standard cargo van than a motorhome. Its smaller size, responsive steering, and high seating position provide excellent visibility and maneuverability. Standard features like lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rearview camera assist with safety and ease of use. New for 2026 is adaptive cruise control, which improves highway driving comfort and safety. Storage space is optimized both inside and out. Overhead cabinets, pantry drawers, and hanging wardrobes provide sufficient space for clothing, dry goods, and accessories. Exterior compartments hold essential hookups, hoses, and tools. Optional gear racks and roof-mounted storage boxes increase the capacity for longer expeditions or sporting equipment. Another appreciated feature is the availability of an outdoor shower and fold-down exterior table. These additions expand living space beyond the van itself, perfect for beach days, muddy hikes, or simply rinsing off equipment. Combined with the powered awning and optional screen door, these features promote a lifestyle that connects more intimately with the outdoors. Winnebago's reputation for build quality is reflected in the Travato's construction. The superstructure process uses steel reinforcement, aluminum framing, and high-density foam insulation to create a coach that is durable and well-insulated. Everything from the cabinetry to the electrical system is designed to withstand constant use and travel conditions without rattling apart or degrading quickly. Maintenance and support are made easier thanks to the widespread availability of Ram ProMaster service centers and Winnebago's extensive dealer network. Routine engine work and parts replacement are simpler due to the vehicle's mass-market components. Meanwhile, Winnebago provides strong customer support and community forums that help owners troubleshoot, upgrade, or personalize their Travatos. The 2026 Travato is built for a wide range of travelers, from solo adventurers to couples looking to explore full-time. Its ease of use, compact footprint, and impressive feature set make it one of the most well-rounded Class B vans on the market. It offers everything needed for comfortable, modern travel while staying light, maneuverable, and efficient. In conclusion, the Winnebago Travato 2026 continues to lead its segment by offering real-world usability, modern conveniences, and off-grid capabilities in a compact and stylish package. With each new model year, Winnebago fine-tunes the balance between comfort, efficiency, and freedom, and the latest Travato may be the best version yet for van lifers and weekend warriors alike.